hair tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to do cutting and styling on short relaxed hair. Okay, so we've completed our drying process for the wrap setting that we did on Abigail's hair. As you can see, the hair is completely nice and smooth. And if I just turn her slightly to the side, you can see that as well from the back. It's completely nice and smooth and as sleek as we possibly want it in there. So this is the result we're aiming to achieve when we do the wrap setting technique. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and comb this out and then start to straighten the hair around the back, but we're just keeping everything nice and sleek. The front part here, I'm just going to put it in a very loose curl, and then I will be using my hairspray to just create a little bit of texture. So we're going for that messy but styled look for the front part of the hair, and that will conclude the final result that we achieved for the cutting and styling for relaxed hair. So I'll just turn her around and I'll go ahead and start to style the front part of her hair. If you want to, at this point, you can add a little bit of holding spray, or you can add some shine spray to the hair as well. I've currently not put anything on the hair because I'm mindful that I don't want to create any buildup of oily products, as I'm going to be actually wanting to enhance the texture in the hair at this point. I'll just interchange the direction that I am directing my straighteners in, so that will help with the way the hair is going to be sitting as well. Okay, so that concludes the styling of our short relaxed hair, and we did that nice pixie cut, just working with what length she already had. So even though I've applied the extension and we've extended the length of the hair at the front, when she's ready to take out the hair extension, she still has a nice finish on her own actual hair, still creating that really nice short pixie cut, reducing the length at the front, and then just keeping it very nice and low around the back and the sides. So this will make it quite easy for her to maintain because the hair is very short, and she can just keep it in this very sleek finish if she wants to, or she can always have the option of slightly tonguing the hair as well. So we've left her with a little bit more option in terms of what she can do moving forward with the style as well. It's always good to allow your clients to have options of playing around with the style as the style gets older and as they take out the extension from the hair as well. So that's how we go ahead and we do our cutting on type 4 hair texture that has been chemically processed, working with what was already created just to enhance the look, and also changing it slightly by the use of the extension that we applied in the hair.